How's it going, guys? Welcome to Trade Confident. This is a very important video. Please watch all the way through. So we have a major announcement for the indicator update. You guys have been requesting this, and I was finally able to code it in this morning, and this is officially already released on our website for the trend exhaustion. If you guys want to access this, do come over here to the indicators. You guys can access it by clicking this link right here. Where is it? Trend exhaustion. You guys get the trend dashboard too, and the price versus money flow. Real quickly, guys, this is the best deal right now. I am upping, this is an official call, I am going to be upping the price of the trend exhaustion by 25% by the end of this month. So starting October 1st, I will be upping it because of the value we're adding in with this video today. The best thing to do, guys, is get the bundled deal because this is going to stay the same while these indicators increase. So you will have appreciating value in all of your purchases if you just get this bundle pack. Okay, what did you guys come here for? Well, you guys know that literally in this trade right now for ADA, I told you guys when this gets to the top red section, I am looking to exit the rest of my trade position for probably about 13% on the last 25% we have in here. If you're brand new to this channel, I'll explain this. What this indicator has been doing, guys, it has been incredibly accurate at calling the tops and the bottoms for cryptocurrency. And I know I'm a broken record if you guys have been on this chart with me before. When we push to the top red sections here, this is historically when you see drops in the market. We see this call the bottom here. This is exactly where we started heading up. And right when we push into this top section up here, got very close, we ended up seeing a move back down in the market. I did a video on Bitcoin where this indicator has called the last 14 moves up and down on Bitcoin on the 1 day time frame. We use this all the time, and I tell you guys so many times, when we get up into the top red section, you want to exit. So this now comes with alerts. Watch this, guys. Here's exactly how you set it up. You're going to learn everything right here. What you want to do is once you have this indicator on your chart, obviously get it in the description or on our website, upload it to TradingView. We have a tutorial video about that in the description when you look at the product, okay? Come over here, and I'm going to take this off just so I give myself a little bit more room to work here. Go to the alerts. All you have to do, this is like so ridiculously simple. I can't handle complicated, so I make everything simple for us. Come here, click alerts, and then just click plus. This is going to show you guys what you're currently on. So currently we are on Coinbase for ADA USD. Perfect. Click down right here and just click trend exhaustion. The only two options you have here are watch for drop and watch for pump. Do you guys want to guess which one's which? So when this white line crosses over, okay, the moment that it crosses over this line right here and pushes us into the top red section, you're going to get an alert. The moment the white line comes down and crosses below this red line right here into the bottom red section, you're going to get an alert. So let's set this up. Watch for drop. This is what I want you guys to set up ASAP when you get this indicator. Those of you guys who already have this indicator, I'm going to show you at the end of this video. I am actually going to send this out to all of you guys via email who have already purchased. Upload it again to your TradingView account. Remember, new blank indicator script, upload it again just like you have with this indicator, and then you guys will be set and save it again, all right? Click watch for drop. If you guys want it to just give you an alert once, click only once. So basically that means the moment it crosses above, it's gonna give you an alert and then it's gonna be gone. That's just that, okay? I suggest doing once per bar close. Now let me make this very clear, guys. Not all of you are going to see open-ended on your account here. This is for premium users and people who have higher TradingView accounts. But let me say this, you guys do not, let me repeat this again, you do not need to upgrade your membership in order to still be doing very well with the trades. Guys, we have won 37 for 37 wins without any type of alerts whatsoever. So when I say watch in the top red section, you guys can still watch that and you're going to do fine. This does require some of you guys to upgrade to a pro level TradingView membership, which I believe is like $15 a month. And the premium's a little bit more expensive to add more alerts. I just want to make that clear. If you want to just keep the indicator how it is and not add alerts because you do have to upgrade on TradingView, that's totally fine, guys. You're going to do fantastic. Again, we've won 37 trades and we've never had alerts. You're going to be fine. This is just for the people who have your upgraded TradingView accounts and you want to add alerts for this indicator. So you can keep it open-ended, notify on app, which is pretty cool. You can show a pop-up. You can also have it send you an email, or you can do some webhooks here. Pretty stinking awesome. What you're going to do here under alert name is just do, I like doing this. I like doing the ticker name first. So I do ADA, watch for drop. And that's it, guys. So again, trend exhaustion, watch for drop, once per bar close, choose how you want to be notified, and then watch for drop, and then click, boom, create. I'm literally going to keep this open because I am going to, like, right now, as I watch this, if you open settings, I'm going to get an alert to my app, which I obviously have TradingView on my iPhone here. I'm going to get an alert. When I see that, guys, this is an official call. I'm exiting the rest of my 88 trade because I don't know if this is going to keep going up, and I'm going to get in my next buy limits. So once it starts pushing down, how do we set an alert up once it gets to the bottom red section? Well, that's super simple too. Click this over here. I'm going to move this over so we can see this. Come up here and go to trend exhaustion, and then you guys are going to do watch for pump. You're going to do once per bar close, set up your notifications, and then I like going ADA watch for pump. And then what you do from here is simply just click create. This message is already put in here, so watch for pump, so you don't need to change that. You can if you want, but I already coded that in for all of us. And then just click create. There you guys go. So for now on, like I'm like so jacked about this. I don't know why I didn't do this earlier. I'm sorry, guys. But anyways, everybody who already ordered the bundle pack as well as the individual indicator, you guys are all going to get an email for free. I was going to charge you guys $50 for this upgrade, but I was like, no, I'm just going to give it to the whole community for free and just let you guys know, get the indicator now, because I will be upping the prices in literally 15 days here. So now's the best time to do that. So there you guys go. Now when I make a call on the channel, it doesn't matter, set this up for other coins. You can set it for Ethereum, set it for Doge, all these. When I'm like, hey guys, when we push up back into the top red zone here, I'm looking to take profit. You now have an alert where you guys can be like, okay, that's what he's talking about. And then we can all exit together, and it'll help give us a lot better scaling out notifications when I make those calls. Okay, guys, that's pretty much it. Literally all of you guys, actually, I'm going to show this to you because I wasn't going to do this, but here's the proof. Everybody who's been a customer on our Gumroad site, everyone who bought the trend exhaustion, which I renamed with alerts, everybody who bought the bundle and save indicators, I'm going to send you guys all an email right now. So 12/8. So this is going to go out. Let's do it like this. I'm glad I changed this. Let's go. It's currently 10:56. I'm going to send this out to you guys. You know what? I guess I got to do that. So at 12 p.m. this is going to come out. Please, guys, do me a huge favor and don't flood my emails. I'm trying to help people over. I already answer like 150 emails a day, and I'm sending this out to a lot of you guys. So please watch this, and you will get the update, but please give it until, give this 24 hours. It'll probably go out to all you guys at 12 p.m., which is literally in about an hour here. But please give this time to go out, and that will be sent to all of you guys. The server's probably going to parse it out just a little bit, so it's not a flood at once. But let's just do this right now. Actually, I'm just going to send this right now. So this will go out at 10:56, and we're going to send it right now. Send it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Anyways, awesome, cool. So post successfully published. So you guys all ended up getting an email with this update. Download the code, upload it back to your TradingView page here, and then you guys can set up the alerts like I just showed you. If you have any questions, email me. Please give me some grace today email answering these questions. There's a lot of people who just got that email, and I might need a little more time than normal to get back to you guys if you ask me questions. So there you guys go. There's some proof. Enjoy this indicator, guys, and I'll keep you guys updated on the charts, and I'll try to come out with an Ethereum video tomorrow for you guys. But wanted to come out with this because I'm super excited for this update, and we're consistently adding value to all the indicators. And again, guys, the best deal is getting the bundle pack because this is going to stay the same at the same price while these indicators go up. So you will appreciate in value for indicators. That's never happened before, but I guess it's happening on this channel. So that's pretty cool. All right, guys, God bless you so much. Have a good one. If you have any questions, email me. I'm not able to get to a lot of you guys in the comments because we're trying to do spam moderation. It's crazy how many... YouTube's having a huge problem right now with spam comments, and they're trying to work on it. And we're having a hard time telling who's a real person and who's not. So we still answer as many comments as we can in the comment section of YouTube. But if you have questions, email me at btradeconfident@gmail.com. That literally goes directly to me, and I answer all the emails. Like Travis Martin, I answer all those emails over there for you guys if you have any questions. All right, guys, God bless you so much, and enjoy the new update. Bye, guys.